Today I will tell you about this plant. This plant is normally found on all island over here in Andaman, and also you can see this flower, and you will be surprised to hear that this flower is used for making perfume oil. We call it ether oil, no? And I can feel the fragrance of this flower. It's very smoothie. You can see. This plant require no maintenance. I don't know the name of this plant, but this is one of the beautiful stuff of this nature. Freely it's available freely, and fragrance is like, I can't express the feeling of this fragrance, but it's very beautiful. Wow, I will show you. क्या स्मेल है यार, हाँ बढ़िया स्मेल है ना. देखो
कैसे पता कैसे परफ्यूम
बनता है. यहाँ के लोकल पीपल्स वन डे हैव टोल्ड मी. So the plant gives this kind of flowers, and this is called Kevada. I told you, I forgot the name of this plant, but this is called Kevada, and I can feel the fume of, I can smell the fume of this flowers. It's very fragrance and very smoothie. You can see. From this flower, a beautiful fruit will come out, which normally Nikobari over here use it, and the fruit is very energetic, very protein rich. They make a vegetable from that fruit. Normally they say that this gives you energy like a tablet of food ration which we are using in our life raft, no? That type of energy this fruit gives. They use it as vegetable. Very nice feel.